What if the same immune trick doctors use to fight cancer could also help fight Alzheimer's? A new study just published in Nature Medicine says maybe. And the results are the first real human data on this idea. The drug is called IBC AB002. It comes from 25 years of research at the Weizmann Institute. Here's the idea. In cancer, doctors use checkpoint inhibitor drugs like Keytruda to release the brakes on the immune system so it can attack tumors. This new drug flips the same switch, but for a completely different job. Instead of attacking anything, it temporarily wakes the immune system up just enough to help calm inflammation building in an aging brain. It's important to understand that it does not touch amyloid plaques that is already being built inside the brain. This is a separate front in the fight against Alzheimer's, and it only stays switched on for a short time because you don't want an overactive immune system lingering in the brain. Once the job is done, it settles back down on its own. In other words, it's short acting, just in and out. So the immune boost doesn't stick around and cause problems. This was a phase 1b trial. And here, researchers are mainly checking one thing. Is it safe? 40 people with early Alzheimer's got escalating doses over 48 weeks at 11 medical centers across the UK, Israel, and the Netherlands. And the headline result? It was safe and well tolerated at every dose tested. There was also an encouraging early hint. In patients on the highest dose, several markers of the brain cell and synapse injury measured in spinal fluid trended downward. That's not proof that drug slows Alzheimer's, but it's a signal worth chasing in a bigger trial. To be clear, this was a safety study, not a study designed to prove the drug works. Bigger trials, specifically built to measure cognitive benefit and Alzheimer's biomarker downregulation, are the necessary next steps. And the company says that's what's coming. What I find most interesting isn't that this one drug will be the answer. It probably won't. What it represents. Alzheimer's isn't one disease with one broken switch. Amyloid, inflammation, the immune system, even genetics, gut health, they're all threads in the same rope. The more tools we have attacking different threads, the better our odds of actually helping people with Alzheimer's. But this is early. Just 40 people, one phase, one endpoint. But it's a genuinely new mechanism with real human safety data behind it. That's worth paying attention to. I'll be following the next trial very closely because I think there's real hope here.